In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome 400 error on Windows. This error can be frustrating and disruptive, but with a few simple steps, you can resolve it and get back to browsing seamlessly. We'll focus on addressing the core issues that typically lead to this error, namely, clearing browsing data and resetting Chrome settings to their defaults. Firstly, let's tackle clearing all your browsing data. Start by opening Chrome. In the top right corner of the browser, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Click on these dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. Hover over the Settings option. Now, you'll see a list of settings under the Privacy and Security tab. Find and click on Clear Browsing Data. Here, you need to set the time range to All Time to ensure that you're clearing out all unnecessary data that's been stored over the entire lifespan of your Chrome usage. Once you've set the time range, make sure that the checkboxes next to Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files are selected. These two types of data often cause conflicts and can lead to errors such as the 400 error. After verifying the selected options, go ahead and click on Clear Data. This action will remove temporary files and data that can often cause problems if they become corrupt. After doing this, restart Chrome and try accessing the website that previously gave you the error. You might find that the problem has cleared up already. If the issue persists, a deeper approach is to reset Chrome to its original settings. This doesn't delete your bookmarks or save passwords, but it will disable extensions and clear temporary files. To accomplish this, open Chrome settings once again. Scroll all the way down to find Reset Settings on the left sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see the option Restore settings to their original defaults. Click this option to initiate the reset. A confirmation box will appear, reminding you of what this action will do. Confirm by clicking on Reset Settings. This action will restore Chrome to its default state, which can help resolve persistent issues that aren't corrected by clearing data alone. Once you've reset Chrome, explore the browser lightly to reinstall any necessary extensions and make your preferred personal adjustments. By following these straightforward methods, you should effectively eliminate the 400 error and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. I hope this guide has been clear, helpful, and easy to follow. Keep these steps in mind should you encounter a similar issue in the future, and you'll be prepared to nip it in the bud right away. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.